Hey there, this is Edwin Bray, and today is June 2nd, 2012. In this training video, I'm going to go over the calendar of events that we have on the website. Depending if you have access to it or not, if you do log in and you click on calendar, you'll see that you'll have the ability to edit it. It's quite simple. Up in the right top corner, you can see there's a plus sign, so that allows you to add events. First, some background about the calendar. Right now it has all the events listed in the school calendar that's distributed to the different parents and students. This calendar is also something that, if you wanted, we can add it to other web pages within the website. So if you want to view, when you click the calendar page, it can appear there. If for some reason we wanted the calendar to appear on one of the admissions pages, we can have it appear there as well. You don't have to recreate a new calendar. You can use the same one. Also, the calendar has a feature where you can change the view or the look of the calendar. So right now it's in the full month view. You can actually change it to a list view. And the list view actually is on the main home page. And if you scroll down here, you can see it lists the events rather than the entire calendar taking some space. You can also click 7 days to show just the 7-day forecast of events as well. So let's go back to the calendar and I'll show you how to go ahead and edit that. So go ahead and hit the plus sign here, top right corner. And then once it loads, you'll get this edit event window with different settings. So first off, you want to put a title. So what we'll do is we'll put test event. I don't know if anyone's ever used Outlook or any kind of email program. Typically these are all in there, so it's similar to that if you used that before. This next line here is all day event. So if this is like an all day event, for example, maybe I don't know, if you were having a sleepover at the school and it's going to be all day, you can click that. And essentially when you do that, it'll just, there won't be a specific time, it'll just have the date here, the start date. So I'll go ahead and uncheck that. Let's do the start date here for, okay, it's already June 2nd. Let's say 1:30 to 2 on June 2nd. We can display the end date. Importance, you can set an importance option here. What it'll do is on the calendar, it'll show up as important or normal or low, depending on the priority. And yep, you can see there what it does. Category, we don't really have any categories, so don't worry about that. Location, that's if we had St. Bernard Catholic School located in, say, Bellflower and Lakewood. We have like multiple branches of the school. You can select what location that's for. And then owner, typically it'll just put in your name. Alright, so if you scroll down, this is a description. So each event has a description. So you can say this is the test event for the video. You can edit it any way you want it to appear. And that's pretty much it. You don't have to worry about set reminder, display image, or reoccurring event. And just hit update. So what it'll do is it'll add this event to the calendar. And when it loads, you can see today is the second test event. If you bring your mouse over, it gives you the details, description that you entered. It'll also show you the start date and time and end date and time. So that's pretty much it. If you wanted to edit an event or delete it, go ahead and click on the event in the calendar. And then it gives you options. You can edit, you can delete it. Let's go ahead and delete this. Or actually, before I do that, let's go to the home page and you can see what it looks like in the list view. Okay, scroll down and then you can see today's the second and it shows test event. So from here we can actually edit it as well. So if you click here, test event. We'll go ahead and delete this event. Oops, scroll down. There you go. And then hit delete and hit OK. And there you go. Now it's gone. So yeah, if you have any questions at all about this video or the calendar, feel free to send me email and I'll try to help you out. Thanks.